Once upon a time, in the azure depths of Neelkanth Forest, there resided a clever and loquacious parrot named Tinkle. Every day, he would regale the forest denizens with tales, but one fine morning, King Sher himself summoned him. The king decreed, "Tinkle, an ancient map has surfaced. It foretells of a mysterious treasure hidden within our very jungle. The path is fraught with danger. Can you brave it?" Tinkle flapped his emerald wings with vigor and chirped, "O king, fear shall not halt me. I shall proceed with courage." Come morning, Tinkle set forth with his trio of companions: Bally the bear, stalwart, yet a tad timid; Nimmo the mongoose, swift as the wind and cunning; Simmy the snake, composed and wise. The map led them to a mystical tract of the woodlands, echoing cavern, where sounds returned as whispers from stone. Therein, they were tasked with a riddle, without eyes or hands, yet knows all. What is it? Simmy hissed softly, "It is the map." And thus, the cavern opened its stony maw. Inside lurked darkness, but with camaraderie, they navigated through. Bally moved hulking boulders, Nimmo steered clear of snares, and Tinkle soared high to spy the safest route. At long last, they beheld a golden cage, cradling a scintillating tome, the treasure of wisdom. King Bahadur honored them all, proclaiming, "True treasure is not gold, but unity, courage, and the wisdom shared." Glowing star lesson: with teamwork, wit, and valor, no challenge is insurmountable.